Check it, I grew up a fucking screw up. Got introduced to the boost through a ride and fucking blew up.
So in today's video, I'm going to start the teardown of the engine. I'm going to time lapse with this camera and then check in with the other camera.
Alright, so as you can see in the time lapse, I've started breaking down the motor, tearing it down. I've gotten kind of far in just a few minutes, really. The auto body's off, coil packs are out, some coolant lines are off, the secondary, the direct port injection fuel rail's off, clutch is off, fluid amper's off. I'm working on pulling this other fuel rail off, and then whatever this is. Thermostat housing, I don't know. Gotta pull this off. And then the turbo. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like the thermostat housing is coming off right now as we speak. Let me see what else is hung up on. Oh, duh. This coolant line's still holding it on. I'm going to take this coolant line off. I'm going to take this coolant line off and then check back in. All right. So here's a pretty good update. You can see straight through the block right here. See my hand on the other side. That's crazy. And then another thing that I found was above the valves. Let's see, get a light here. Above the valves, you can see pieces of metal. Let me see if I can set my phone up. Piece of metal right here. Can't really fish it out. But it looks like the valve is not seated anymore. So I'll get to that when I get the head off. I'm not going to time lapse this part because in my opinion this is like one of the coolest parts. I mean, getting the head off is going to be cool, getting the crank out, the pistons, that's going to be cool, but I'm actually going to start removing the turbo now. That. I need to get these coolant lines off, oil lines. Let me see what they look like. See if I can finish this up with the ratchet. Yeah, oh, that's pretty easy. Well, that's interesting. I don't know what to do about this bolt. It's in such a bad spot too. Oh, I have an idea though. Yeah, I sure do have an idea. Come on, man. I'm gonna go get a different fucking wrench. Son of a bitch. Motherfucker was tight. Okay, cool. So for now, I've temporarily solved my problem with that oil line. Last nut and the turbo's coming off. I bet this bitch is heavy. God damn it. Hey, come on up. Oh, I did not anticipate that happening. Oh, come on, dude. This bitch is heavy enough, man. Come on. God damn it. Shit, that's heavy. This fucking line doesn't want to come out. Oh, that shit went right in my fucking mouth, dude. Oh, that tastes like shit. That tastes so bad. Bitch, that tastes nasty. That's what I get for talking shit to the engine. To the turbo. And I dumped fucking coolant all over my table. Fuck off. So I've begun pulling the spark plugs. This is from, I guess, cylinder 1. Cylinder 2 is the one, obviously, that had the huge issue. So we'll see what that one looks like when I get that one out. Let's do that one last, though. So far they all look about the same. Let's see what door number 2 reveals. Oh yeah. So you can see, I don't know if it's going to focus on this. It's going to be hard to see. Anyways, you can see that the metal piece is sticking straight up when it's supposed to be flat like this. Yeah, so definitely nicked the spark plug. Took the iridium tip off. Damaged the spark plug a bit. Yeah, shit's toast. I'm gonna pull the valve cover off now. Sorry, I have nobody here to film for me, so a lot of stationary shots today. Oh, there we go. Let's see, I might have missed something. It's kind of tight over here. I don't know if this whole fuel pump thing has to come off. I guess this fuel pump housing has to come off. It's only one more bolt, so I think. What am I missing? What the fuck am I looking at? What am I missing? I feel so fucking dumb. Oh. No, dude, I feel so fucking stupid right now. I don't even know how this comes off. How fucking ridiculous it turned out to be to get a fucking valve cover off. If you're doing a valve cover at home, you'd have to fucking pull your fuel pump like this. How fucking ridiculous. That's just uncalled for. For real. I'm running out of table space, goddammit. Oh yeah, this is off now. About to drop that chain. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know, man down, it's cam down. I guess I'm gonna pull the head now. It's gonna be these big ass triple squares. I think it should be pretty simple, I guess. Pull these out right here because I already have the fitting. Not fitting. And I'm disappointed that I haven't really filmed because, like, I could have seen where shit was coming off from, but instead I have no real clue. Is that fuel rail gonna come with the head?
No.
It should, right?
Yeah.
Hand. Damn, that one was like,
I
fuck
didn't think
you.
it was gonna come. That's what she said.
Smells like burnt oil. Fuck that one up. Definitely strip that one.
You think so?
Sound like it. I think those are all done.
I might want to replace those anyway. Right? So.
I'll put the ARP ones. Just toasting. Who gives a fuck?
Yeah, that makes sense.
I'm running out of places to put shit.
We can get another table.
Oh, bitch.
Not ready for that yet. There it goes.
shit's heavy.
For like 40 pounds.
Oh, it's not that bad. Alright, let's see. The fucking damage.
Ooh, look in there.
Oh. Let's look right here first. These valves are not seated. You can see little pieces of metal in them. The head got a little damage right here. I'll have to ask. The rest of they look good though. I'll have to ask.
Looks like there might be some.
It might be salvageable, really.
Yeah.
Pull this. Damn.
That'll buff
That
out.
must have happened just now.
Yeah, because fishing.
It's crazy. It's like a triple layered.
Is it 3?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I need to take a picture of that.
Is that all like glue that they put on? Like someone put on? Or?
The factory. Oh, dude, look inside there. Look at all the metal pieces. It must have fallen out, right? When we picked it up.
Most likely.
Because all these would be damaged. What is it in every... No, it must have made it through the intake. Diablo.
First reaction?
Shit's
I already-
pumped up.
I already knew this fucked up.
All right,
You
let's...
already knew.
I already knew.
You already knew.
There's going to be more coolant that comes out right here.
Alright. This video's not gruesome enough yet, so.
Ooh, fucking let me catch these things.
We're now
That
taking
hurt my fucking fingers.
we're taking online bets if the engine's gonna fall off the hoist. Don't let Mario find out. You put stuff on his
Yeah,
phone.
don't tell Mario. Do this. That was fucking skill right there, boy. Let me fucking tell you.
What's the colder intake?
Yep.
Cool.
It's the cold air metal intake.
And it's got like a secondary air filter so the water doesn't like get sucked into it.
Yeah.
Sick.
The oil pump's probably trashed in too. Goddamn, 2 different sizes.
I mean, kind of.
Oh, look at that. Anybody ask for
Shred on the
confetti,
side.
confetti on Christmas? I should just fucking can this engine completely.
I don't know why you're still pulling it apart.
Oh, because this is fun.
Yeah.
This is fun,
Yeah.
don't ya know? Oh, bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, bitch.
Oh,
I guess those are
put this in the
there
middle.
somewhere. Who?
Put that. There you go.
Are you right? Fucking Mario. Glad that fucking motherfucker showed up. Oh, there we go. God damn, this bitch is heavy. Holy fuck, that's heavy.
Isn't that forged?
Oh, fuck. I don't know, but it's heavy as fuck.
You think it's heavier than this?
Yeah. Put some gloves on, dude. You gotta feel this. This is fucking crazy heavy.
No, I'm good. No, it'll eventually dry up.
Let's turn it over and look down. Oh, dude, even this got fucked up. I don't know what this is.
Well, I mean, that whole fucking area got.
I understand
shitted
that,
on.
but I don't know what that is. Wow. Look at the... Whoa, the sides got fucked up. Dude, there's shit everywhere.
Pick it up. Pick it up, Nick.
Oh, yeah, lift up that crank. Ooh, it is
A little bit more than I thought it would be.
How bad is it, Nick?
what do you think that is? Like 50, 60 pounds? That shit's heavy.
I'd say 40 to 50.
I need this.
No, I gotta wait. I know if it was an ounces, Eddie could figure it out, but
If it what?
if
If it was what?
it was an ounces,
Ounces? Oh, I see what you did there. All right, this is all disassembled. I didn't label anything, so fuck it. So here's the block, all the carnage. It's so destroyed.
We're on a budget though, so we're gonna go ahead and glue the pieces back together.
Yeah, it's actually not Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue. We're gonna use
Loctite.
no, JB Weld.
Well,
Yeah.
yes.
We got all the pieces over there, the puzzle pieces. We're just gonna glue them back together. I passed first grade, so I think we can handle it. All right, we'll catch you next time. I don't know what the update's gonna be. I guess figuring out if the head is gonna be good. What I'm trying to do is take the head up to AP Tuning and then make a day out of it. Hit up some New York. Hit up some fucking that food court place we found.
Yeah.
Then come back.
In Brooklyn, wasn't it? In Brooklyn?
Yeah, it's in Brooklyn. And then we'll go from there. I don't exactly know what motor status we're gonna go with, but we definitely need to find out if this is good first. It doesn't really look like it. Looks pretty fucking toast. And there's like little pieces of metal behind the valves here. But I don't know. We'll catch you next time.